Meaning of first foot.
First foot.
First foot.
First foot.
First foot. First foot is a Scottish custom that involves being the first person to cross the threshold of someone's home on New Year's Day. According to tradition, the first footer should ideally be a tall, dark-haired man who brings with him symbolic gifts such as coal, whiskey, and shortbread. This is believed to bring good luck to the household for the coming year. The first foot is warmly welcomed and treated to food and drink. The custom is still practiced in some parts of Scotland today, although the tall, dark-haired aspect is often not strictly adhered to.